my name is Jenny. I'm going to be unboxing Circles of Healing, the new deck by Alana Fairchild, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, all you've missed is me cutting the plastic. It's a really great picture of her. I love the boxes that her decks come in. This is my fourth deck actually. Circles of Healing, Soul Activation, and Radiant Manifestation through Sacred Words, Color, and Mandala. And so this booklet, it's actually rather thin for a booklet from her. If you're familiar with her decks, you usually get a really thick booklet. So I'm guessing there's more information on the actual cards. So, okay, I cut off the plastic. This is the back. And then if you look, there are manifestations written around the mandalas. Absolutely beautiful. There's numbers. If you're familiar with her work, she's very big into angel numbers. Some of them have like a very Celtic feel. Lots of Celtic knots. This is very modern. I love the colors. They're so, so bright. These look like chakras. Absolutely beautiful. In the book, basically talks about how to work with the deck. They are for basically like meditation and chakra healing. I think I'm going to use them personally on altars, like as an altar decoration. I'm also going to use them for crystal grids with tiny, like small crystals. I'm also going to use them as meditation. That's what mandalas are originally designed for. But yeah, these are absolutely beautiful. So not a typical deck. It's not an oracle deck. I'm sure you can still shuffle and get a short message, but it's not your typical, you know, doing a reading and that kind of thing. Very different for her. Very exciting, actually. And then she talks about why they're a circle, which is actually why I was drawn to them. I just love that they're something different.